How much is chronic stress hurting your life? The American Medical Association has noted stress is the basic cause of more than 60% of all human illness and disease. As a healthcare worker, have you had a day when there's been one challenging patient after another? Or on the job where the workload seems to be too much? And last but not least, felt overwhelmed with family responsibilities. Stress is a normal part of life, but when we don't deal with stress on a daily basis, over time, this is when chronic changes begin to take place in our mind and body. Hypertension, stroke, heart attack, insomnia, anxiety, anger, muscular aches and pains, and headaches and GI problems. To help people deal with stress more effectively, we offer an evidence-based program, JOY, Just Observe Yourself. This is a mindfulness training program that reduces stress and changes the behavior that resulted in chronic disease, and these changes are long-lasting. Mindfulness is present moment awareness of your mind, body, and emotion without judgment. This opens the space for choice and allows the person to stop the habitual response to life's stressful situations. Research reveals evidence that a mindfulness stress reduction program can improve mood and physical well-being, decrease anxiety, stress, and anger, decrease employee turnover rate, and improve quality of life for survivors of breast cancer. Mindfulness programs are now being offered in more than 200 medical facilities around the world. In the United States, companies that are now embracing this practice are Aetna, Blue Cross Blue Shield Association, Google, Target, and Harvard Business School, just to name a few. Are you ready for a better life with reduced stress? To find out more about starting a program for you, sign up below.